I've given up on bras.
Completely.
Yeah.
Itty bitty titty clan has benefits. Okay?
Yeah, absolutely. Itty bitty titty committee. Shanu had just made like a proper, very traditional outfit, and he had a meltdown because उस outfit में pockets नहीं थे. And I'm like, welcome to our world.
Wow. So this guy had like the audacity to upfront ask me, why are you looking like this? Makeup क्यों नहीं लगाया? I'm like, natural look लगाया है. You're like, थोड़ा और लगा लो. What is your face? And by the way, I'm not the bride. I'm nobody in this situation. Okay, I'm just like backup dancer. So
Okay. Hello, guys. Welcome to our podcast. We are two millennial women who love gupshup, especially about things that women care about. I'm Arushi. I am an anchor, a content creator, a writer, an editor. Lots of things depends on the day, and I have a lot of things to say.
Woo. And I'm Sidika. I'm a creative strategist, a digital community builder, a founder, and now I host this podcast with this pretty lady called Girl
Girl
Gappa.
Gappa.
And today we are, if you can't tell, dressed up in the shadi attire and discussing, is it important for you to dress up when you're attending a shadi? Do you need to look hot basically?
हॉट तो लगनी चाहिए थोड़ा सा तो
But-
बट या हम आपके लिए हॉट बन के आए यार शादी के लिए नहीं कर सकते
But on सर्दियों का मामला also, do you need to look hot in the depth of winter? Let's discuss.
या सो grab your coffee or chai ka cup and let's get into today's gup.
Woo. Just for context, she and I have bonded and made a friendship on the basis of feeling cold in the winters.
Yeah, oh my god. Yeah, I am always cold.
Yeah.
Always. Like my friends have this joke that if I go to hell after I die, which I probably might, like I'll be like, Satan भैया please जरा blanket दे दो ना ठंड लग रही है.
दिसंबर देख नहीं रहे हो बाहर ऐसा आप तो कह रहे आग लग रही है मुझे तो ऐसा ये
ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है.
No, it's same. So when we guys were like talking initially, we were like discussing, we were competing actually before she got an electric blanket on how many blankets do we have on the bed. It was like a legit competition. How many layers of clothes? How many blankets? So Delhi ki sardi is intense. It like hurts your bones.
Oh my god, yeah. No, it is. अरे गाने बनते हैं यार दिल्ली की सर्दी पे. Of course, it is something. It is intense.
प्यार तेरा दिल्ली की सर्दी.
And then the problem is that shadi season converges with the thand.
Yeah. Peak thand, peak shadi ka season. Most amount of shadi during that time only.
Okay, and the thing is that men can get away with really cozy, really comfy clothes.
Yeah.
And then meanwhile women are like shivering like okay like frostbite in the same frame in the same weather.
So there are like memes on this, like girls during the winter season at home at weddings. Then winter weddings, girls versus boys. Boys are going to be like completely blanket vagera and girls are just like in one sari.
Oh my God,
looking so
yeah.
hot. And then obviously winter weddings exist. Girls, woo, looking hot and stuff. So this is also nice.
This is true.
Yeah.
This is not true. This
So
is-
all these memes and they're like 1 million more where they came from
Yeah.
are just like one narrative. Girls somehow there's this perception शादी के टाइम पे सर्दी नहीं लगती है.
हाँ somehow and always you will see okay जहाँ पे एक हीटर हो रहा होता है
हाँ.
like ऐसे एक पोल वाला हीटर होता है which is in weddings
Yeah.
mostly all these women will be like you know उसके around like this and like usually and I think maybe sometimes when I was like younger and stupider in my early 20s I would go to weddings like that and now when I see like you know my past self in these young women and I'm like haha I'm wearing a jacket haha lol like
So I don't know, man. Since I was a kid, right, I have always had this issue. एक तो when I was a child, I was also like I had my growth spurt very fast, so I was considered a little older than I was at that time, and my face more or less remained the same because I looked like a certain age. I mean, I always tried to not let people be like, oh, I didn't want comments about oh लड़की तो इतनी सुंदर है, this and that, शादी करा दो इसकी.
And the thing is, in these Indian weddings, especially with all your uncle, auntie, relatives,
Yeah.
if you look bad, you will be commented on.
Oh yeah.
But if you look good, then also, because
Yeah.
I legit got a comment saying, "Oh, you look so pretty." This is when I'm in my 20s, saying, "Oh, you look so pretty. इसकी तो शादी करा दो." I'm like, shut up. I'm literally a child. I'm a minor. What the hell?
I didn't want those comments. That's why I just did not buy anything Indian up until 2 years back. I'm not even kidding. Like I didn't purchase a single lehenga. I really avoided Indian clothes like the plague because then I was like, yeah, this is like the moment you wear a sari in particular, that's like your rite of passage.
Oh yeah.
So then yeah, because it means something the moment you start wearing sarees and suits. So I was like ये तो मुझे करना ही नहीं है. मैं पापा मुझे इतनी गालियाँ देते थे. मैं पी शादी सीजन में जीन्स अग्स और जैकेट पहन के जाती थी पी शादी सीजन में up until I was like 26 27.
Oh yeah. I still wear like boots and all to weddings
हाँ,
if
पर
it's
वो
like very
नीचे-
cold. हाँ, but like if like a long dress,
हाँ,
a thick dress, and then under tights, under stockings with boots and with long sleeves,
gosh.
everything.
You need to bundle up and like I don't know man, I feel like it's also this expectation like even when it comes to younger women, older women, sometimes it's like, oh you know what, I need to look nice and stuff, so you know just keeping a shawl if you feel a little cold, just cuddling around that thing, but then it feels like, oh like you did something for that function. I don't know where this pressure came where the guys can have like 3-4 suit jacket वगैरह, but the girls need to look really dolled up like 9s and 10s basically.
Yeah, because girl तो आपकी प्रॉपर्टी है ना,
हाँ.
उनको तो अच्छा लगना है. अब अपना घर तो सुंदर रखते हो ना, क्योंकि घर आपकी प्रॉपर्टी
हाँ,
है. तो
that's actually
अपने
हाँ.
बाथरूम को जैसे भी रखो कोई बात नहीं.
अब लिविंग रूम एकदम चमकना चाहिए.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली. तो आपके लिए तो प्रॉपर्टी लिविंग रूम है तो है.
That's actually fair because then it's like okay, the men are essentially like showing about, oh look at my wife, look at my daughter, look at my XYZ women in the house, so pretty, oh my god, so
घर
pretty, so
की
brave.
इज्जत.
हाँ.
No, and you know, it's not only, I feel not only in winter, but
हाँ.
also generally.
हाँ.
Like all these shadi clothes are so inconvenient compared to men's. But they look great, fine.
Yeah.
They look really nice. But I mean, I know the first time, okay, so Krishanu had just made like got this outfit made for a wedding, a proper, very traditional outfit, and he had a meltdown because उस outfit में pockets नहीं थे. And I'm like, welcome to our world.
Wow.
Sweet summer child who has had this privilege all his life of having pockets in his outfits.
Guys' pockets are not even just like girl pockets. Let me just make this
They
clear.
are
Girls
pocket
have,
pockets.
They are deep pockets. Neeraj's pockets are like till here.
Yeah.
I'm like, तुम क्यों किसका बच्चा किडनैप करके पॉकेट में लेके जा रही है ये बताओ. लेकिन शादी से वहीं से किडनैप करके लेके जाना है क्या?
Those pockets are meant to like you know steal stuff during buffets. मतलब buffet में डाल दो चीजें, जैसे हम लोग breakfast पे करते हैं ना hotels
Oh,
में,
yeah,
ऐसे bread
yeah,
rolls
yeah,
डाल
yeah.
दिया. Those pockets can handle
Handle,
that, and
yeah,
you
yeah.
won't even see it.
Yeah,
It's gone,
it's disappeared.
somewhere. Yeah.
So like now because Neeraj and I have attended weddings together ना in certain events, so I try to make him match me. I'm like मेरा तो इतना outfit है, मैं इसको ROI लेके repeat करूँगी. So I'm like ठीक है, you get this jacket and his jacket. Like my two dresses, like fucking no warm, nothing. I purchased sleeveless thermals because that's the thing. Blonde might have not even heard of it. Like either spaghetti sleeve, so you can wear it underneath such garments, right? And he's like bundled up in that thing. He's like, इसमें गर्मी लग रही है. I'm like, really?
Oh my god. So I'll show you something I wore for a recent shadi. Okay, now I have learned the art of jugaad. But look what I'm wearing inside.
Oh, nice, a
Yeah.
turtleneck.
Yes.
Very nice.
It has
Very
3
nice.
layers inside.
Oh,
And it has it has leggings. I wore leggings, and underneath and on my feet I wore boots.
oh, very nice.
Yes.
So when I wore this to a friend's wedding as well. So underneath this, obviously, I was wearing boots and stuff. I was carrying a jacket because I was like, I wanted to have some photos in this outfit, and I was like, यार ये तो ऐसा ही है. But I तो stopped caring. I'm like, मैं तो proper ऐसा दिन में एक रात को अनेक. I don't get it. Yeah, so now that I stopped giving like, oh fuck, I'm just like, yeah, I'm just wearing like a nice coat. मेरे जो भी coats हैं, I'm just gonna wear that. I'm gonna wear it on top of the outfit. Let me just try and color coordinate, but I'm done. And now तो खैर I'm glad in general the footwear for women when it comes to Indian clothing, now you like bedazzled shoes. So I love this trend of having these nice bedazzled heel वाले sneakers.
Oh my god, yes.
It's so
It is so
good.
nice.
It's
I love
the
it.
best. It's the best. You can be comfortable. You can, if you have the budget also with you and the means, you can like match it to many styles and stuff. You don't need to buy just one color and you can walk around. Otherwise you have to like hide those boots the whole time and just hope koi dekhe na. Now it's like
now and then you can like have it like compatible with
Yeah.
your outfit,
Yeah,
which
yeah.
is so cute. I
It's
love
so
it
cute.
so much.
I remember
Yeah.
this wedding. I'll actually ask my friend if I can get the photo. So we guys had like gone to get the picture with the bride and groom on the reception thingy. क्या बोलते उसको? जो भी है. So we were like up over there on the stage, and the bride saw that I was wearing boots. Alright, she was like, I have like bedazzled shoes. Let's take photo together, you and me just.
So cool.
And we were like, yes, we were like twinning. Ooh, look at our shoes.
So cool. And it's so like nice to dance in that, no? Because see, like
Yeah.
I mean, I remember I too danced a lot at my wedding. मैं तो बहुत बनती.
हाँ.
But and I wish like at that time this was a thing, because I think during my wedding sneakers it didn't really catch on.
How many
at
years
that
back
time.
was it?
2018. So
Okay,
it's been a while. 6 years almost. मतलब 6 होने वाले हैं इस साल. Yeah, we're old. So anyway, so yeah, so I mean, at that time it wasn't really a thing, a phenomenon as such, sneakers, and I
उस समय तो it was also
तो-
frowned upon to wear no anything else but
I would have worn it anyway, because
हाँ.
I'm like, तुम्हारा thought
हाँ.
अपने पास रखो, तुम मेरे को नहीं पहनना, तुमको जो भी है, तुम मेरी शादी है ना, तुम्हारी तो नहीं है, तुम चुप रहो.
हाँ,
Like I
fair.
know I had a बुआ who tried to interfere a lot in my
बुआ
wedding.
थोड़ी बेवकूफ
But
है
I
ना?
was just like, चुप रहो.
थोड़ी नहीं,
Not your wedding.
बहुत.
shut up.
You're just
Like,
invited, be
literally.
happy, okay?
Yeah.
That can be taken away from you.
I have literally told her, she was trying to tell me कि तुम why aren't you walking? Like why aren't you walking your song? Like you know, मतलब, let's start your entry. I'm like, चुप रहना, it's not your wedding. Let my song come first. I was like waiting for my song. I'm like, shut up. नहीं सुनना मुझे तुम्हारी बात.
Oh God! I mean,
Yeah.
off the tangent, but
Yeah.
this reminds me. I had gone to this one very toxic शादी, okay? So उसके अंदर क्या हुआ था? That the groom, so the barat had to come by around 8:39. The bride was ready. That fucktard came at 1 o'clock in the morning. Alright? And he was, and this girl is like depth of winter, December, पूरी तैयार, freezing, this and that. Then
Oh
they were
my
like,
God.
जल्दी जल्दी चलो, ठीक है तुम्हारा सॉन्ग आ गया, just hurry up and go, this and that, we need to finish everything fast because खाना भी होना है, हर चीज़ भी होनी है, and they were rushing her. And this guy came at one slosh with his friends.
Oh my God. How is their marriage going? Just asking.
Dude, their marriage had a lot of toxic shit and drama. I was
Yeah,
like,
tell me after this is done. This is done with this shoot. I would love to know, or maybe we could like have another episode.
yeah, toxic, like red flags before having your shadi, you should watch out for.
Yeah. Oh yes.
That would be a good
Yeah,
topic.
Yeah, okay. If you want us to do that, please comment. Tell us. मेरे केस में तो ये था कि both our parents are फौजीज, so
Yeah.
we were like, देखो टाइम तो रखना ही पड़ता.
हाँ.
The thing is, we were supposed to start our fairas at 5 and we started at 6, and my dad was very pissed off. So he
Oh.
was telling the pandit, Julie, you have to open the bar, like literally. Yeah, but yeah, हमारा शायद 45 minutes में निपट गया था.
भाई ये बहुत
पूरा
fast है.
हाँ. Maybe even less, I think, because we when it was done, both of us were like, हैं हो गया. Because we had that past trauma of failures taking forever, and we were just like, ये कब हुआ? Okay, feel नहीं आई, एक दो और करवाना जरा हमसे. Like
I remember there was this one event that happened, and this has happened quite a few times. Generally, dressing up for any event is supposed to be like a slight mandate for females, right? Like you need to look pretty and presentable. Okay, fine. But when let's say relatives are coming over and this and that, I don't understand what's the mandate when दूसरे घर के लोग आ रहे हैं. So शादी season में बहुत होता है ना कि people are coming from one place another place, visitors and stuff. So this guy had like the audacity to upfront ask me. And by the way, I'm not the bride. I'm nobody in this situation. Okay, I'm just like backup dancer. So
okay.
not even backup dancer in the first line. एकदम पीछू की तरफ कि अगर नाम भी ना जाने तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Oh my God, वो उसमें होता है ना in the end credits, girl in bar 1.
हाँ, yes.
Girl in bar who
Yeah.
talks to heroine.
yeah. Like girl present,
Yeah.
whatever. So मुझसे he's saying, why are you looking like this? Makeup क्यों नहीं लगाया? And I was like, bro, मैंने I'm like natural look लगाया है. You're like थोड़ा और लगा लो. What is your face?
Who is this person?
I can't mention.
Oh, okay. Was this person related to you?
Yeah. That's why I
Of
said I can't
course.
mention.
हाँ.
And it was so fucked up because I am in a situation, I'm in a social situation. This person is saying these words to me from his butthole of a mouth.
Oh my
okay? And I'm
God.
like, you, like, what is your authority or right to say it? And I'm not even important over here. क्या ही फर्क पड़ता, कोई मुझे देखने भी नहीं वाला. And like I always have this thing, ठीक है भाई, if the bride is there and it's important for her and stuff, like I've attended a wedding where I had to be invited but I felt like okay, the bride was not giving me vibes. I upfront told people, यार मैं नहीं होंगी, this is her day. If she's not comfortable with me being over there, why should she have to have all her mental energy and work भी कि सिद्धिका photos में नहीं होनी चाहिए, सिद्धिका यहाँ नहीं होनी चाहिए. So I was like, I'm exiting myself from everyone's mental peace from this situation. Man, ना मुझसे आके कह रहा है कि ऐसा लिपस्टिक कितना लाइट क्यों.
Oh my God. The
Like,
entitlement, the audacity. How कहाँ से लाते हैं? मुझे भी इस दुकान में जाना है यार, यहाँ से लोग entitlement खरीद के लाते हैं यार. I also want it.
It's insane. And I feel like this is all stemming from the fact that okay, fine, this is like all of your extracurricular furniture, this and that, paintings and all, and women in the house, and you need to all look decorated
Of course.
up to all T's, nines, whatever metric system you have in your brain cell of the single brain cell in your brain.
Oh my God, man. No, this is just, मतलब, what is this?
Yeah.
I can't. No, but you know, my first reaction when you told me this was like, this तो, I also know so many relatives who say
Yeah.
such things because ये तो है. This, I don't know how we've just like kind of normalized this culture कि you can say anything to someone who's younger than you, especially a woman. You can just say whatever.
Yeah.
And it's fine. Right. कि मतलब I have literally had one of my aunts again in these wedding situations say that literally stare at my chest and say, oh, you have not grown up yet. You've not come into your blouse, basically. And like,
कौन है ये लोग, कहाँ से आते हैं ये?
एक तो पता है ना, if a guy would say that, fucking creepy, arrest him.
Yeah.
But
like auntie.
But if auntie says
I mean, how do I even react to that?
does she not know how it functions? It's not in your control.
Exactly.
And why are you
Yeah, and then she said to me that next time चोली padded बनवाना.
हे भगवान, ये तो मैंने टेलर मास्टर जी से बहुत बार सुना हुआ है.
Oh my God.
When he's like measuring and stuff, he's like, मैंने padded करना नहीं करना. But thankfully he's
But
like,
that
this
is in a
work,
very clinical
mandate.
kind of
exactly.
professional tone still, you know. You know it. Like,
Yeah.
this is more of a professional thing.
Yeah. So एक बार this conversation happened with me, but it wasn't in the शादी का context, right? And the lady, मतलब my relative, female relative in that situation was like, it's okay, मतलब 2-3 साल की बात है, बच्चे कर लो, बढ़ जाएंगे.
Oh yeah, I've heard that too. That too. Like,
तुम कौन कहाँ guarantee कहाँ से ले रहे? Have you seen my mother's family tree?
Oh my
Like,
God.
from where are you having?
these things we casually like brush off because now we're so used to it.
Yeah.
We're just like, हाँ ये तो बोलेंगे ही बोलेंगे अजीब सा.
ये तो अजीब आएगा ही आएगा.
Yeah.
Some like some random past comment on your body.
Exactly.
So
I have,
weird.
and then abhi recently for a wedding. So after a point, I stopped like straightening my hair or doing any kind of hairstyle because earlier I used to get a lot of comments. I used to get a lot of like I used to get bullied a lot about my hair. So after one point, I just when थोड़ी अकल आ गई 25 के बाद तो उसके बाद I'm like fuck this. I am just going to go like leave my hair naturally curly. So even for like these functions and all, I would just leave it like that because I would always obviously get comments from my relatives also कि अरे बाल ऐसे लग रहे type. But again, one of my aunts looks at me and says, your hair is not going with your outfit. Because I'm wearing a sari.
It's like they have decided what is the magazine version of a woman. You have to look at all like
Yeah.
whatever, and it has to be that only.
Yeah, and by that point I'd had enough. Like
Yeah.
this is when I was already married, already whatever, everything
yeah,
थोड़ी
yeah.
अकल वकल आ जाती
हाँ.
है तब तक. And I'm like, how? Nicely, please tell. No, tell. No, is it what is bad? What is wrong? Outfit or hair? What is it? Both I can't change right now.
Yeah. Which one?
But tell me
Choose.
which one, which is wrong, and then you can see them
The
crumble.
panic, yeah.
Right? Oh no, मैंने क्या बोल दिया?
Yeah.
Oops. Like,
Oh gosh, it's like I don't get these people. Like, एक तो ठीक है यार, योर हेयर वाला थिंग वी शुड हैव अ कंप्लीट डिफरेंट एपिसोड ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. बट इवन इफ सपोज you would have chosen to wear a certain color, like with me it's happened on my eyeshadow. I had worn a silver outfit and I decided to have like silver eye makeup and stuff, and then people were like ठीक है, you're looking nice and stuff, but आँखों का क्या है, ये आँख ना एकदम जा नहीं रही है and stuff. Like I was very glad someone, like, because these uncles were actually saying this to me कि why are you looking like a fucking peacock in your eyes and stuff. And this one, like one of my relatives, he stood up and he was like, "Arey, the baby is looking beautiful. She's enjoying herself. She's enjoying the shadi. Why are you commenting? Are you feeling nice? You're feeling nice, na Sadhika? Very nice."
Oh wow, thank God for people like these, yeah.
Yeah.
Seriously, literally.
They wouldn't have shut up because they were dragging me in the beginning when my cousin was getting married, when that was happening. Her time they were dragging me on my eyeshadow. ये देखो नीली पीली आँखों लेके आ
God,
गई.
तुम मत लगाओ ना. मतलब तुमको नहीं पसंद, don't put.
Yeah.
Yeah, what somebody is liking it, somebody feels good about themselves wearing it or not wearing it or whatever.
Yeah.
उनको अच्छा लग रहा है, तुम चुप रहो ना.
हाँ.
तुम मत पहनो. मतलब खुद हो गई.
Never
But yeah,
anything
it's
to
like
add.
circling back,
हाँ.
we have an episode on how to compliment and comment on women.
Oh, yes.
So उसका moral ये है कि
Yeah.
if it's something that someone can change in 5 seconds, then you can say it. Okay? So if there's lipstick in their teeth or kajal फैला हुआ or something wrong which they can immediately change,
Yeah.
then say it. Otherwise, please shut up.
Yeah.
Don't say it. Keep it yourself.
Fair enough. Yes.
Yeah.
With complimenting is a skill.
Yes.
It's an art form. I
Yeah.
feel like people need to learn
And watch our podcast
and
about
watch our
it in
podcast.
case you don't know.
Full story. Like I feel like girls, anyways, women in general, we have a love for beauty and things that are nice, and we like also getting ourselves ready. But the expectation to be ready according to certain XYZ standards or needs every single time, like you can't expect to show up all the time, and you don't even need to show up all the time when you're not even the main character.
Exactly.
When you're just being there to love and support someone else's event, I mean, I think it's about the other person.
Yeah, it's not about you. It's
Yeah.
okay. Oh, I actually recently went to a wedding where the bhabhi
Oh.
was एक तो I don't know what property dispute is happening in this family. Okay. Because the bhabhi was trying to upstage the bride
Yeah.
at all points, and this is the bride's real brother's wife. Okay, and I could see जैसे मेहंदी में the bride puts flowers in her hair, right? This woman had flowers in her hair and the same color lehenga as the bride. So we thought इसकी अभी शादी हुई होगी तो you wear your wedding dress to the next this thing ना relative
But you
वाला
don't wear the
wedding.
whole wedding dress as is.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we thought चलो benefit of doubt अभी भी हुई होगी उसकी 6-7 साल पहले शादी हुई थी.
So, वैसे kudos to her. 6 साल बाद if she's fit into that outfit, that
I know.
means first she's maintained herself, and secondly that means her relationship is not going that well. Because there's a study that says if you're in a happy relationship, there is a little bit of weight gain that happens, and if that weight gain has not happened for her, then well, I think
This
now
is the
I
fattest
understand.
I've ever been. Let me just say.
Well, you had weight gain. Listen, the statement still holds true. Okay, you got married, you had a little weight gain. It's normal. So in her case, I feel like maybe that's why she needed attention. कुछ तो और लोचे हो सकते हैं.
Oh yeah, probably.
सकता है,
Oh
हो
my God,
सकता
yeah. But speaking of weight gain, I had whenever I wear a sari or something, and this is like my past self who was very looked very undernourished.
Yeah,
जैसे
yeah.
सोमालिया की भूखी बच्ची लगती थी मैं. ठीक है. तो whenever I would wear it, I think I can have a drinking game.
हाँ.
Of how many times my relatives have said, बेटा कितनी कमजोर लग रही हो. I used to love wearing sarees because my mother used to be a flight attendant, so I used to see her wear sarees, and I used to really love the whole ensemble. Okay, so I really loved it, and I really wanted to wear it for functions. But every time I wore it, I would get this unsolicited comment. Okay, one more, घिस रही है, कमजोर हो गई है, कुछ खाती क्यों नहीं.
ये खाती क्यों नहीं?
हाँ,
घिसना तो मैंने
कहाँ
पहली
जा
बार
रहा
सुना
है एंड इफ आई एम ईटिंग कहाँ जा रहा है सारा खाना. एंड या
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ भाई जिंदगी में. मैंने सिर्फ जीन्स पहनी, मैंने कोई ऐसा किया नहीं. आई जस्ट गॉन आउट वेयरिंग साड़ीज विद माय बॉय, एंड उसमें भी मैं ऐसा ब्लाउज कभी नहीं बनाया. ऑलवेज क्रॉप टॉप्स.
yeah same me too. Now I've gotten to a point where I will only dress like according to occasion, according to weather, all of that मिला के compatible होके सिर्फ उसके हिसाब से जब मैं comfortable होंगी, then only that's the outfit I'm going to wear.
Cut to Krishanu. Same jacket, same suit, same tie, same joote.
Oh, we have actually worn the same blazer once, you know. Oh my god. But and then, you know, the thing is, if you wear too many clothes on a wedding, so again you will be commented on. Then again, if you wear too less clothes,
Yeah.
you will be like, "Arey, you're dressing so slutty." But then again, if men and you're dressing for men's attention, apparently. And then again, I'm like, if men were not in this wedding, na,
Yeah.
we would be dressing far more slutty and far more sexy.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. Listen, Arushin mother-in-law in the audience is like, woo!
Yeah.
So yes, guys, it's not just us, it's all age groups. किसी भी उम्र की औरत से पूछ लो, 12 साल से लेके 200 साल
12,000 साल तक.
हाँ, yes, all of them are going to say the same thing. थोड़ी सी अकल आने के बाद नहीं I am तो छोटा.
Yeah. Shorts, always.
Always, yeah.
In fact, I used to wear heels a lot pehle because me and Krishanu have like itna height difference. But now after akal and after age and maturity, I'm like, अरे भाड़ में जाए.
Bro,
मुझे तो नाचना है. मैं तो अभी this is the level of heel I wear and we look this different, but it's okay. It's fine. It's
Dude,
what's here. That
I
counts.
feel like again this pressurizing women to look hot in that capacity when I was also in college, right? And I'm like the most average woman Indian height, ठीक है, bang. I also wore heels the whole time during college. Platform इतनी बड़ी बड़ी heels, मुझे मेरा कोई लौंडा भी नहीं था ऐसा. मैं क्यों लेके घूम रही थी? क्यों? Because girls are supposed to look tall, they look better in heels. I mean, very much digressing, but I don't understand all of us in school. I don't know about in your school. Why are we wearing these padded push-up bras?
Oh no, we didn't.
You did? My
So
school
had a girls'
तो-
school, na? We
हाँ,
didn't care.
sorry.
Girls' school.
हमारे
Didn't
स्कूल
care.
में yes हमारे स्कूल में everyone we had like why did we have padded push-up bras? I fucking don't understand. I have worn my padded push-up bra once in the last year.
Yeah, I have given up on bras.
Completely.
Yeah.
Itty bitty titty clan has benefits. Okay?
Yeah, absolutely. Itty bitty titty committee.
Yeah. So like I don't know, man. Like don't dress hot for society. Dress hot for yourself if you want to.
Yeah. So if you want to, then dress hot.
Yes.
And let no one tell you otherwise. And if you don't, let no one tell you otherwise even then.
Yeah.
Like बनना है तुमको झल्ला छपरी बनो. कोई बात नहीं. Let no one tell you otherwise.
Yeah. Just don't try to compete with the bride. That's all.
Yeah, like don't do that. Please, that's just rude.
Yeah.
Don't be rude. Don't be mean. Be
Yeah.
kind.
Be kind.
Yeah. So Siddhika,
Yes.
what did we learn today?
We learned that people comment too much on bodies during shadis, and also main thing, please just wear what you want. Be comfortable, be warm, be cuddly. You'll enjoy yourself more. Don't wear stilettos because it won't even show. Your feet will hurt, and that will show tomorrow, day after, and the month later.
Exactly. तुमको नाचना है तो नाचो यार मस्त. I mean मतलब अपने flat sneakers में.
And if you like this podcast, guys, we guys do a lot more topics like this. So come back next week to watch us talk about more subjects like this. You can comment your subjects as well. Diwali aa rahi hai. What would you like us to talk about?
So if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like. Please share it with your girlfriends, your boyfriends, your relatives, and also in your family WhatsApp groups because they really need to hear this.
Yeah.
And please subscribe to
Girl Gappa.
Also, we're on a lot of more channels, so please follow us. Links are in the description.
All links, yeah.
All. So see you in the next one. And
Bye-bye.
happy Shadi season. Stay hot. Stay awesome.
Stay hot.